Hello, dear minority candidates. Are you not qualified in TSMCET 2021 or not appeared for TSMCET 2021? Nothing to worry. There is a good news. There is a golden chance to join leftover seats in minority colleges. For this one, you have to follow the 3 simple steps through the official website. I will explain. I'm Lakshmi. Welcome to my channel Maths Super Tips and Tricks. First of all, what are these 3 simple steps you have to know? First one, download the application form. Second one, fill the application form. Third one, pay the processing fee. After completion of your processing fee, then you can download your filled application form. Then that one you have to submit personally in the following address. I will give the address also. So please watch the video completely. I will explain through the official website. Are you ready? Without delay, let's get started. This is a TSMCET 2021 official website. This link I will give in the description. Click on that one. Directly can enter in this website. In this one, you can observe that the second point, what is the TSMCET 2021 counseling website for engineering stream admissions. Click on this one. Okay. After finishing that one page is open. This is also one of the main page website. Okay, scroll down, then come to the next last point here. In this last point, what is given here? Yes, not qualified, not appeared minority candidates. Click on this one simply. Okay, after finishing that one more page is open. Here we can read out clearly. Heading is TSMCET 2021 not qualified, not appeared minority candidates. Here you mentioned that 3 points. Among these 3, first you can concentrate on the last point. What is that? Download application form. Click on this one. So after finishing that job, so one window will be open like this. What you have to do? Yes, what is mentioned here clearly? Application for leftover seats in minority colleges for TSMCET 2021. Here first you have to fill the qualified all ticket number. This means what? Your 10 plus 2, otherwise intermediate all ticket number you have to fill clearly. Under enter image, what is image displayed here? We can enter there. So after filling your all ticket number and enter this image, so scroll down, generate the report. Okay, I didn't fill anything there, that's why the report is not open. If you fill, it will be open. Okay, then get back to next. After downloading the application form, again get back to the home. Here you can come to the home, click on this one. So again scroll down. So concentrate on that point, same point what I explained. Yes, not qualified, not appeared minority candidates. Click on this one again. So again get back to the same page. Here already download application form is over. Now fill the application form. You can click on this one. Okay now. So then there are the details here. Completely fill these details clearly without mistakes. First one is fill your mobile number. Second one, email ID. Yes, clearly detail you have to mention your email ID and your mobile number. After a confirmation of your admission, maybe seat allotment or your process, definitely can get the message and mail through your details. Okay now. That's why fill the details carefully. And then what is next? 10 plus 2 all ticket number. Just you can enter your all ticket number. 10 plus 2 means intermediate, your all ticket number you have to enter. And as usual, image you have to type. What is maybe appears on the screen, you have to type. Then after that, you can click on the show application number. So application. So it will be open. What you want to fill, that application will be open. Okay. And according to the process, you can fill the application form. Then you can come to the last point. What is that? Yes, again get back to home. Click on that one. Again come to the same point. Click on that one. Yes, again we are entered into the same page. Already we visited 2 to 3 times this page. In this one, last and final point is pay processing fee. Click on this one. Okay, this one compulsory how to do this process, then only can eligible for this one. Here the instructions are given left side. So I'm reading out those clearly. First of all, processing fee, how much you have to pay? Yes, 1500 rupees you have to pay. Second point, you can pay through either net banking, maybe debit card, credit card. Okay. Third point, what you have to fill the right side, those details has given. Enter 10th all ticket number as well as also your minority registration, minority application registration number, your date of birth and so on. So I will show to you right side how you can, what are the columns. Yeah, there are some transaction charges, maybe may not be according to your process. Okay, now that is I'm not reading. In case of transaction is failed, means payment transaction is failed, nothing to worry. Your amount will be get back to your account within after 2 working days. Is mentioned that clearly. So now can come to the right side what you have to fill. Yes, these details you have to fill clearly. First one is you have to enter your 10th all ticket number. That is compulsory. So what is our 10th all ticket number, you have to fill it. And the registered number, after submission of your minority application, you get some registration number, that one you have to enter here. Then your date of birth, clearly you have to write your date of birth, write according to your certificate. So what is there, 10th certificate, that one you have to mention here. That is date, month and year, clearly you have to mention. Don't do the mistakes. After finishing those, you can enter the image. Then scroll down. Click on the pay online, pay fee online. If you click on this one, you can get the direction. So how can you pay the fee? Here I didn't enter anything, that's why it's not open. If you enter all those your details, it will be open. According to that direction, you have to proceed payment of fee. After finishing your payment of fee, now download the filled in application form. That will be submit to the following address. Come to the again same home page as well as the same point. Click on that one. Again get back to the same main page. What is that? Last page. What we did the process, well. Here mention that clearly instructions. What are the instructions? Not qualified minority candidate seeking admissions into TS EAMCET by filling up the application form, submit same in person. The address is given here. This address I will give in description also. You can copy down from that also. So you have to submit your filled application form along with the required documents, along with the processing fee receipt with the minority certificate in person to the following address. What is that address? The Convenor TS EAMCET 2021 Admissions, Sankethika Vidya Bhavan, Masab Tank, Hyderabad. So all these details, all these certificates you have to carry and submit in that following address personally. Okay, now here given that one more instruction. What is that? Candidates can download filled application with all details only after paying the required processing fee of rupees 1500. So after paying the processing fee 1500 only, we can get the filled application form. Then we can download it. Okay, filled application form will be open. You have to fill on the online only. That can be get back after completion of your 1500 rupees of processing fee. Followed it very well. If there is any doubt, put a comment. Definitely I will direct you. So do your best. All the best.